Okay, so Nyan says cross-validation is a method to validate our data. So basically the same answer as Patrick. But why, Nyan? Like, what are we doing? Like, why does cross-validation even exist? Okay, so Hamad revised his answer. It is used to assess the performance of a model. Yeah, you're getting closer. You're getting closer. Amina, you're asking a great question. I'm going to come back to that, okay? I'm going to come back to that. You're asking a really important question, but let me come back to that. By the way, if you're in the chat and I haven't answered your question, that's okay. I will come back after the class. I just want to get through the class, okay? Kozeko says cross-validation is a process to compare learning algos by dividing the given data into two segments. Nyan says it's done so that data doesn't overfit. Yeah, but why? Okay, Joseph, are you revising your answer? Or is that a new one? I think that's a new one. Okay. All right. I think Joseph has given us the most accurate answer so far, right? Rohan, yep, Rohan, I think you're on the right track. And Hamad, your revision is improved. Yeah. But I'm going to highlight Joseph's answer here because I think he's giving us the best one, right? And cross-validation, you should be thinking about training a model. You're taking some data and you're comparing, you're training a model on it, and then you're letting the model then correct itself based on the answers to that data. That's what it is, right? The example that I use, because remember, we're talking to business people, right? Most of the time. The example that I use is, you know how like when you were a kid in elementary school and you had like math books and like, you know, you would do the math problem and then the answers were in the back?